Very good morning, students. Welcome back to Science 1 online class. So far, we have completed up to artificial sources of light in light lesson. Today, let me continue with the properties of light. Light has some fundamental properties. What are the properties we have? A rectilinear propagation of light, a reflection, speed, interaction of light with matter, types of material according to permeability, formation of shadows, plane mirror and images, spectrum. The path of light. Light travels in straight line. It cannot bend the path itself. This is called as the rectilinear propagation of light. This is one of the most important property of light. So what is a rectilinear propagation of light? Did you understand, students? Light travels in straight line. It cannot bend the path itself. This is called the rectilinear propagation of light. Let me prove this with the activity, students. Listen here. What are the requirement we have? 3 empty match boxes, pin, candle and wooden blocks. Arrange empty match boxes and wooden blocks as shown in the figure. First, you make a hole in the inner tray of each matchbox such that all 3 holes are in the same spot. Arrange the matchboxes as shown in the figure. Now, adjust the 3 inner trays in such a way that the 3 holes are in a straight line. Place a lighted candle at one end of this arrangement and try to see the flame of candle from a hole at the other end. Is the flame visible? Yes, of course, the flame is visible in this arrangement. Now, arrange the trays such a way that they are not at the same height. Try to see the flame. Is it visible? No, it is not visible. What does this activity tell you about the path of light? I told you already. Light travels in a straight line. This we can prove this with the activity. I hope you all understood. Next one is pinhole camera. Pinhole camera is a simple device which helps us to understand about the rectilinear propagation of light. The above picture shows a model of a pinhole camera. Here, O is a small hole by a pin. X, Y is the object and Y dash, X dash is the image of XY. As light travels in straight line, one light ray from X travels along the XO strikes the screen X dash. So travels along the straight line and strikes the screen X dash. In similar way, another light ray starting from Y, another light ray starting from Y and travels along YO strikes the screen Y dash. Similarly, all the rays in between X and Y fall on the screen between Y dash and X dash. Thus, Y dash X dash becomes the image of XY. The image produced is temporary if a simple paper is used. The image can be made permanent if the paper is replaced by a photographic plate. Have you understood, students? Did you understand? Next, we can make our pinhole camera. How to make? What are the requirements we need? 2 rectangular pieces of thick paper, carbon paper, a semi-transparent paper, adhesive. Procedure. Make 2 tubes using thick paper as shown in figure. One tube should be slightly smaller in diameter so that it can slide into the other tube without leaving much gap between the tubes. Fix a carbon paper to one side of the tube of greater diameter. Make a hole with a pin at the center of the carbon. Close one end of the second tube with the butter paper. Slide the smaller tube into the bigger one such a way that the butter paper is inside. Keep a lighted candle on a table and look through the hole with the back side towards the candle. If you go closer to the candle, you will see a smaller but brighter image. You can also change the image size by adjusting the tubes. Did you understand, students? I hope you are understood to make a pinhole camera by your own. You yourself can try. I hope you are understood, students. Thank you.